Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2022, slot 2 DILR, says that a specialty supermarket sells 320 products. Each of these products was either a cosmetic product or a nutrition product. Each of these products was also either a foreign product or a domestic product. Each of these products had at least one of the two approvals, FDA or EU. So we have three-dimensional data, like we are classifying as a category of cosmetic or nutrition. Similarly, it is either foreign or domestic, and it has a sort of approval, right? Whether it is FDA approved or EU approved, or it can also have both approvals. Okay. Now, when we talk about the distribution of cosmetic or nutrition, it has to be either of them. That means only one of them, either cosmetic or nutrition. Similarly, it is either foreign or domestic, right? There will be only one of them. But here, at least one of the two approvals, FDA or EU. So there might be both also. So this has to be represented in the form of a Venn diagram. Okay, so we will have foreign, EU, or both of them. So that has to be represented using Venn diagram. Now, in this problem, it was about the conditions were not difficult. It was about visualizing the problem, that how to make the Venn diagram in this problem. Now we have figured out that we will have to make a Venn diagram of foreign and FDA and EU. Now we will bifurcate these products into four categories, like cosmetic and nutrition could be domestic or foreign. So we will make four categories. One is domestic cosmetics, domestic nutrition, foreign cosmetics and foreign nutrition. So let us make a Venn diagram like this. So we will make four categories. Let us say domestic cosmetics, domestic nutrition, similarly foreign cosmetics and foreign nutrition. So these are the four categories, and for all four of them we will have to make a Venn diagram using FDA or EU or both approvals. So this was the only challenging thing, and in fact not just one thing, but yes, it requires a lot of effort to think that how to represent this data. If you figured out how to represent this data, then it was relatively not that difficult, because rest of the data can be filled into the table. So it was not that lengthy text wise, but logic wise it was intense to think through that how to represent this data. Okay, now let us see the statements. We have only five statements now. There were equal numbers of domestic and foreign products. So 160 domestic products and 160 foreign products. Half of the domestic products were FDA approved cosmetic products. So 80 products are FDA approved cosmetic products. So these are domestic cosmetic products and these are FDA approved. So this Venn diagram, the total composition is of 80. None of the foreign products had both the approvals. So these are foreign products, these are domestic products, these are foreign products. So none of the foreign products have both approvals, while 60 domestic products had both approvals. So these values should add to 60. Now let us say we assume this value to be x. We can take any of these values as x, and let us say if we take the value to be x, the remaining value will be 60 minus x. So this point is also taken care of. There were 140 nutrition products, half of them were foreign. So it says that 140 nutrition products. So we get, like, you can visualize like this. There were equal domestic and foreign. So domestic was 160, foreign was 160. 140 nutrition products, nutrition is 140. And out of these 140, half were foreign. So 70 foreign and uh, half will be domestic, and we will get 90 and 90 like this. So domestic cosmetic is 90. Similarly, for domestic nutrition is 70, foreign cosmetic is 90, and foreign nutrition is 70. So this also gives us the totals here. Now the next thing that we need to fill is there were 200 FDA approved products. So FDA is 200. 70 of them were foreign products. So these two are 70. That means 30 will be domestic FDA, 130 domestic FTA. These are 80 domestic FTA. So these will be 50 domestic FTA. 50 domestic FDA, we need to find the value of this. Now we need to remove x. So add x here, that will be removed and it will be x minus 10. So 60 minus 10 is 50 and x minus x will get cancelled. So this is also done. The next information that we have is 120 of them were cosmetic products. So 200 FDA, out of them 120 in cosmetics. Now 80 FDA cosmetics are present here. So foreign cosmetics you will have 40 FDA because total is 120. Now 40 FDA should come here and there is no overlap here, so 40 comes here. Now 40 is present, 40 is 0, this will be 50. Total is 90. So this Venn diagram is completely filled. Next, we will fill the remaining thing which is pending here is 70 foreign products. So 40 FDA is filled here. That means the remaining will be 30. So that we are able to fill this 70 foreign products also. 130 we have already filled. So 30 is done. Total is 70, 30, 0. This will be 40. So we have filled these Venn diagrams. Now these two values remain. How to fill it? This total circle is 80 and total is 90. So remaining is 10. 80 is this circle, 90 is domestic cosmetics, so 10 here. Similarly, domestic nutrition is 70, 50 is FDA approved, this complete circle is 50. So the remaining will be 20. So this is how we will fill the Venn diagram. So the visualization part was the biggest challenge in this problem. Now we can answer the questions. How many foreign products were FDA approved cosmetic products? FDA approved cosmetic products. Okay. So FDA approved foreign cosmetic products is 40. The answer is 40. How many cosmetic products did not have FDA approval? So these are the cosmetic products and we have 50 products here and 10 products here that did not have the FDA approval. So total 60 products do not have FDA approval. Which of the following options best represents the number of domestic cosmetic products that had both approvals? Domestic, cosmetic, both approvals. So we need to find the value of x, right? We need to find minimum and maximum value. So minimum value of x, see we cannot take x as 0 because there is a value x minus 10. So x minus 10 should be greater than equal to 0. So x minimum value will be 10. And what can be the maximum value? See, these we are subtracting x from these values and 60 minus x can become 0. So 60 minus x should be greater than equal to 0 because we cannot have negative values. So x is less than equal to 60 because if we go beyond 60 it will become negative. So at least 10 and at most 60 is our answer. If 70 cosmetic products did not have EU approval, then how many nutrition products had both approvals? So 70 cosmetic products, so we need to check these cosmetic products, did not have EU approval. So here 40 do not have EU approval. Okay, so that means it is saying that 70. So that means this value should be 30 or it means x is equal to 50. Okay, now putting x equal to 50, we need to answer how many nutrition products had both approvals. So nutrition products, these will not have any of the approvals. Okay, so we will just count this 60 minus 50. We will have 10 such products. So the answer is 10. If 50 nutrition products did not have EU approval, then how many domestic cosmetic products did not have EU approval? Okay, 50 nutrition products did not have EU approval. So we need to deal with nutrition products did not have EU approval. Okay, so these are the products that do not have EU approval. Okay, 30 here, so that will be 20. We have 50 products that do not have EU approval. So we have 30 value here. This should be 20. So x minus 10 is 20. We will put x equal to 30. How many domestic cosmetic products did not have EU approval? Domestic cosmetics not having EU approval. Okay, so x is equal to 30. We will put, so 80 minus 30 is 50. So the answer is 50 products. So this was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.